Rumba, let's do the number rumba. Rock your shoulders. Let's do the number rumba. Eh. Number rumba all day long. Yeah. Number rumba all day long. Oh. Number five. Thank God I'm still alive. Number five all day long. Yeah. Number five. Thank God I'm still alive. Number five all day long. So here we have the numeral 5. So we're going to talk about the numeral 5 today. We spoke about our 5 senses. Yes. And so we are on the numeral 5. So come on, wave your magic wand. Show me 5 fingers. Whoosh! 5 little fingers. 5 little fingers. 5 little fingers. Tap, tap, tap. Wiggle them high and wiggle them low. And rub them on your nose. Alright, so we're talking about the numeral 5. And in my container, I want to take out 5 balls. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Alright, so I have 5 balls. Let's count them again. We're going to put them back in. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So when you reach the number name, you stop. Let us clap 5 times. Let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. You stop at the number name 5. Let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Ready? Let us jump 5 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Stop at the number name 5. Let's rock 5 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Very good. We're going to do the duck dance 5 times. Let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. You want to do 5 jumping jacks? Let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Give yourself a big clap. Yes. We enjoy that activity. Now, we are going to spell the word 5. Let's go. F-I-V-E. 5. F-I-V-E. 5. F-I-V-E. F-I-V-E. I can spell 5. I can spell 5. F-I-V-E. F-I-V-E. I can spell 5. I can spell 5. No, for you to trace it, follow the dots. 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 That is the numeral 5. Follow the dots. Follow the dots. So we're going to trace the numeral 5 in our textbook, page 551. And we are also going to trace the word 5. Those who can write it, write it. Those who can trace it, you trace it. So it's all about numeral 5. It's all about numeral 5. Give yourself a big clap, boys and girls. Enjoy the rest of your day.